That's what it's for, guys. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay. Wow, it's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey guys, another video on Koh Phi Phi. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, welcome back.
We're going to go to the beach today after getting some food, and then we're going up to the viewpoint, which is the highest point in Koh Phi Phi, to watch the sunset.
See the sunset.
Hopefully it's going to be a good one.
Yeah, I mean it's not cloudy, so I feel like we left it for the right day, don't you?
We did, yeah. Can't ever get bored of that view, can you?
No, never.
Looks unreal.
And what have we ordered?
Guys, we're back at Anna's restaurant. We came on the first
We
night.
are back again.
Probably the best Thai food, in my opinion, I've ever had.
Yeah,
And,
definitely.
I've got a chicken pad thai again. We've got some morning glory this time instead of kale, and you got
The chicken cashew nut, which
Yeah.
I've never had before.
stuff here. That's so nice.
I know, she because we said we're leaving tomorrow, she said, oh, we could leave our bags here because checkout is always at 11 or midday. So I thought it was really nice.
Yeah, it's very
Now,
sweet.
wasn't it?
Yes.
I'm excited for food, I'm so hungry.
I know. So
Then it's arrived. This is my chicken cashew nut, steamed rice, morning glory, and it's pad thai.
oh yummy.
It is gigantic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's well worth it.
Let's tuck in. We absolutely demolished that, didn't we?
Yeah, it was amazing, wasn't it?
Mhm.
Really, really
You
lovely.
could go for round 2 for pad thai.
Oh, I
couldn't
did
you?
say, yeah, I did say I could probably have another pad thai.
That was like halfway through as well.
I know.
I am actually stuffed though. But yeah, we're going to be going to the beach after this, aren't we?
Yeah. Straight to the beach. But yeah, if you do come to Koh Phi Phi, definitely go to Anna's restaurant. It was only 500 baht for the entire meal, wasn't it? Which is
I know.
dirt cheap.
2 drinks and 3 dishes, wasn't it?
Yeah, and they've been here for 14 years.
I know.
Crazy.
And they survived all through, you know.
COVID, yeah, they said that they
Yeah.
were shut for 20 months in total.
I know, that
For a
is
long time.
crazy.
Beautiful Koh Phi Phi.
I know, it's so amazing, isn't it? I'm getting holiday blues and we're still here.
Yeah. Obviously getting the deliveries of materials and stuff. That's nuts, isn't it?
Yeah, no wonder we kept seeing loads of people.
No,
I
thank
think loads of sandbags and stuff being transported earlier. Look all over there.
Beauty.
So pretty, so nice and warm. Well, this is nice, isn't it?
Nice and warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the viewpoint up there. Bit wavy.
Will be a sunset.
There will be, hopefully. Yeah, there has to be, doesn't there?
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing obstructing it.
To the viewpoint now, aren't we?
We are off. Yeah, it's about 5:30, so we want to get up there in some good time and get a good spot.
Yep.
So we're going to start our climb. So this is the first hurdle, the steps. Yep. I remember these very well. As you can hear, there's a bit of a shortness of breath now. We're on the third flight of stairs. That's what we got to go. Further than that. You okay?
No.
Can see the beach now, sort of.
That'll do, won't it?
That'll do. So cool. Beautiful view. is viewpoint 1.
It's the lowest one.
The lowest viewpoint.
Doesn't bloody feel like it.
Then moving on to viewpoint 2. Those stairs actually weren't too bad. I remember them being worse, to be fair. Not too many people up there, really, is there?
No, I remember going last time. It was packed.
It was. Here we are. We have made it. Did not take that long.
No,
It took about
20 minutes, half hour?
Yeah, literally.
It was pretty
We left the beach at around 5:30 and it's only 6 past 6.
Wow, decent.
That's what it's for, guys. Stunning. The sun's in a different position from last time. Last time it set between that little crevice there.
Yeah, it did, yeah.
Get a different perspective this time. Got a cafe up there as well.
Yeah, it's mad up there, isn't it?
Wow, this is so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really pretty.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, this is better, isn't it?
Yeah. Last time it set right there.
It's on the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
Oh yeah. Try and line it up.
That's the way it was before.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my god, that's so good. Look how pretty it is.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Told you have to wait after the sun's proper set.
I know.
Some people have already gone.
Zavi, the sunset queen. Overall though, great bloody success.
I know.
Beautiful
Amazing.
sunset.
This whole trip has been
One big, massive flop. No, I'm joking, success.
yeah, we completely winged it.
I know.
It's actually worked out in our favour.
There's all the lights over there, look, but actually on the shore. So that was Atom. What did you think of that?
Atom was lovely.
And now we're on our way home.
Yeah, we are. What is the time right now?
8.
Oh, it's not that late then.
So guys, that wraps our day up and our time completely now.
That is
We
the
had a
end.
good day at the beach, and then obviously we went also up the viewpoint. Would definitely recommend it. I'm pretty sure it's on everyone's bucket list anyway.
100%. If you come to Koh Phi Phi, you have to go up to the viewpoint.
Because it's amazing.
Yeah, you have to watch. It's the view is so nice, isn't it? You get to realise how skinny the actual
That bit of land is.
bit of land, yeah.
But yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. Have you been there or not? Would you go there?
Yeah, would you like to?
And yeah, bye.
Catch you in the next one. Bye.